Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is me Ishani from Tech Basics. Today in this video we'll learn how to log in to MetLife Lawyer. So first open your browser. Now click on URL and type in MetLife Lawyer login. Now click on the first link. Now you will need your email and your password to log in. If you don't have an account, you can click on create account and create a new account. And if you have forgotten your password, you can reset your password by clicking on this link. Now type in your email. Now type in your password. Now click on login and you can access the MetLife Lawyer. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.